Hello! In this new video I'm gonna show you how to do double crochet. So we have again a 3mm needle, so it's not too thin, it's not too thick, it's good to work with this size. And I have a base of I have 2 rows here of single crochet, so I'm just gonna work on those to do my double crochet. So hold my work, yeah, and then to do the first double crochet, I'm gonna do it with 2 or 3 chain stitches. I'm gonna do 3, yeah, and then I wrap the yarn around the needle, so I have my loop and then another loop I just wrapped around, and I go onto my next hole, that one, and I wrap another time the yarn. So I have 3 in my needle now. So rather than getting my yarn and going through the 3 at the same time, I go through the first 2 and then I go to the last one. So this is my double crochet. So now again, before I go into the next hole, I roll the yarn around, go onto the next one and roll again. So I have 3 now in my needle, and I go through once and I go through again. So you see I have another double crochet. So remember, the first one you do it with chain stitch and then you do the actual double crochet. So roll the yarn around, next hole, roll the yarn through, pass it through, roll again, and you pass it through the first 2 loops and again on these 2 loops. Again, so I pick the yarn, go through my next hole. So I have 3 loops of yarn in my needle. I get yarn again and I pass it through the first 2. So I have 2 again, get yarn again and I pass it through these 2. See? Again, roll the yarn, pass it through my hole. I've got 3, roll the yarn again, got 2 more, and roll the yarn again. So let's speed up a little bit. Once you get used to this, it's totally automatic. You don't even need to. Again. This is a little bit tight on the end. You just okay, 2, pass it through again, and then you see how the work is starting to take shape. And again, so we start again with 1, 2, and 3 chain stitches. I roll my yarn, go to the next hole, bring it up, so 2 and 2, and then you go through the next one, And this is it, basically. So, and you see how it looks. And again, it's all about practicing. I hope you find this video helpful. And please keep watching, so I will put more videos with more stitch details. Thank you very much.